Okay, so in this video, we're doing find the index of the first occurrence in a string. So given two strings, needle and haystack, return the index of the first occurrence of needle in haystack, or -1 if needle is not part of haystack. Okay. Okay, so we just need to basically find the occurrence of needle in haystack. Pretty self-explanatory. And then we need to return the index, so I guess where the first letter is found. So I'm thinking what I can do is I can iterate through this array. But I guess I only need to iterate through, like I can avoid iterating through A and D in this case, because if it's smaller than the size of needle, then there's no way it could even be needle. So we can iterate through the array minus the length of needle plus 1, I guess. And then for each letter in the array, if it equals the same as needle, then we'll do a while loop, and then we'll iterate through the length of needle, and we'll compare the rest of the letters, and if they are equal, then we can return the index. Otherwise, we will just keep iterating through my list. So okay, here's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to initialize int ans equals -1. Okay, 4 int I equals 0, I is smaller than haystack dot length minus needle dot length plus 1. So for example, in this case, the haystack length is 9, the needle length is 3. So we're iterating 9 minus 3 is 6 plus 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That'll take us to here. So perfect, because after this, then it's not even possible. Anyways, I plus plus. If a stack at I equals needle at 0, ants equals I, just so I can keep track of the index, right? And then we'll do 4 and I equals 0, or no, we'll do while okay, then we'll do int index equals I, and we'll do while we'll do 4 int equals x equals 0, x is smaller than needle dot length plus plus. If haystack at I guess we can do, since we've already confirmed this, and actually I need to just I need to move this into the if statement because I only want to do this if the first letter is a match. Okay, for x equals 0, x is smaller than needle length, x plus. If haystack at x is smaller, sorry, if haystack dot next at x does not equal needle at x, okay, if ends does not equal -1, then we can just return ends, and then otherwise, once we exit this loop, we can ends, which will just be -1. So let's just quickly walk through this. So I'm initializing answer to -1. I'm iterating through the list such that for each word that could be, each letter that could potentially be needle, where needle starts from. So if the first letter is a match, I'm storing the index, and then I'm looking at the next letter of both. And while for the rest of the needle's length, if they're all equal, do nothing. If I found in a letter that's not equal, I'm reverting answer back to -1. But if they are equal, then answer will remain the index, and then I'm returning answer. So let's give it a run. Okay, all right. It's not an array. Let me just quickly fix this wherever I need to. Okay. Another syntax error. Sorry, this is 0. Okay. Curious why this isn't working. Index equals I plus 1. X equals 1. X is smaller than needle at length. X plus. Okay. If this does not equal this, why is this not working? Okay. It's because I need to increment index. There we go. Okay, there we are.